Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss A2 elimination mechanism. A2 elimination is nothing but a bimolecular elimination, and one of the finest examples of it is dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halide. For example, consider N-propyl bromide, that is 1-bromopropane. When it is boiled with alcoholic KOH, then it undergoes dehydrohalogenation forming propylene. So, as far as mechanism of this reaction is concerned, it is found that it is single stepped. So, this is a propylene which contain beta hydrogen, and remember, carbon to which halogen is attached is said to be alpha, and carbon adjacent to alpha is known as beta, and this hydrogen is attached to the beta carbon, that's why it is beta hydrogen. Now, the base in this reaction, remember, nucleophile is ready to remove hydrogen in the form of H+, that's why we are terming this as a base. So, what happens exactly? This base attacks the beta hydrogen, and due to which removal of beta hydrogen and halogen from alpha carbon takes place simultaneously. Thus, it is one-stepped process, and this can be given as. So, this is the exact situation right here. Now, afterwards, what happens? So, loss of halogen from alpha carbon and beta hydrogen get ultimately removed by the base, and this lead to the formation of our product, what we called alkene, in this case propylene, and that can be given as. So, A2 elimination is single stepped reaction, and the mechanism for this can be suggested in this way. Thank you very much.